Imagine this: you have an incredible story inside you, bursting to be told. But here's the mind-blowing part: everything from developing the concept, authoring the book, to producing amazing illustrations can now be done with the power of AI technology. And the best part? Anyone with a phone or computer can do it, regardless of their tech skills. But here's what's even more mind-blowing: publishing these books is entirely free, thanks to Amazon's KDP program. That's when it hit me like a bolt of inspiration. Why not write my own tale, publish it on Amazon, and earn passive income while I sleep, using free AI technologies like ChatGPT? But before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the notification bell, because trust me, you don't want to miss out on this groundbreaking information. So, you might be wondering, just how much can you earn by following this method? Well, let's delve into some real examples from Amazon to give you an idea. If you browse through the vast selection of children's books available for sale, you'll be amazed at the potential earnings. Take this book as an example. By examining the price they are charging and the number of reviews they have received, we can estimate the minimum earnings they have generated. Incredibly, this book alone has raked in over $61,600. Now, let's shift our focus to another book with only 168 ratings. Priced at $12.99 per book, it has already amassed over $2,000 in earnings. These numbers demonstrate the incredible income potential that awaits you. Are you excited to learn how you can achieve similar success? Let me guide you through the process so that you can embark on your own journey to financial freedom and creative fulfillment. Step 1: Write the story. Now, if you want to write a captivating story, it all starts with a great idea. To spark my creativity, I turned to ChatGPT and requested its assistance in generating a title for a children's book. I simply typed in, "Generate a children's story book title." The first title it came up with was The Adventures of Fluffy and the Magical Meadow, but it didn't quite resonate with me. So, I clicked on Regenerate Response to get another suggestion. The second title wasn't quite what I had in mind either, so I clicked again, hoping for the perfect fit. And then, on the third try, it happened. ChatGPT presented me with the title The Magical Adventures of Whiskers the Brave Cat, and I instantly fell in love with the idea. With the title in place, it was time to move on to the next step, outlining the chapters. I wanted to keep this book engaging for young readers, so I prompted ChatGPT to write me an outline for the chapters and that I would like to have 6 chapters. In a matter of seconds, the results were in. This heartwarming children's story revolves around a curious cat named Whiskers, who stumbles upon a mysterious map leading to the lost treasure of Sparkle Island. Joined by his wise owl friend Oliver and mischievous squirrel companion Sammy, Whiskers embarks on an enthralling journey through an enchanted forest. Along the way, they face challenges, showcase their courage, and learn valuable lessons about kindness, imagination, and the magic within us all. Thrilled with the outline, I proceeded to expand the story. Prompting ChatGPT with, "Write the content of this chapter," limiting it to a maximum of 2 paragraphs, I went back to the outline and copied the title of the first chapter. Like magic, the content for Chapter 1 materialized, adhering to my instructions of 2 concise paragraphs. I repeated this process for Chapters 2 to 6, and in no time, the story was complete. But before we move on to the next step, if you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Your support means a lot to me. Step 2: Create the illustrations. Moving forward, a children's rhythm book would not be complete without captivating illustrations. We all know the expenses and challenges of commissioning an artist to create these beautiful visuals. However, what if I told you that AI generators can swiftly produce stunning, creative images without any cost? Yes, it's true. With the power of AI, you can effortlessly generate graphics simply by inputting a few words. Many AI artists now utilize a platform called MidJourney, which is renowned for its exceptional capabilities. However, keep in mind that the free trial of MidJourney only allows a very limited number of photos. But fear not, because there's an alternative called Blue Willow that offers a generous 25 images each month, completely free. And if you need more, their plans start from only $5 per month. By joining Blue Willow, you gain access to a vast collection of photographs created by millions of users. Feel free to appreciate the artwork created by others while focusing on producing the images you need for your book and any other digital materials you may require. To initiate the image creation process, you'll need to start a prompt. Simply type a / followed by the word imagine without a space, and then press enter or click the imagine button that appears at the top. By typing your desired image description, you can communicate what you want to create. I input the text provided by ChatGPT for the first chapter and will patiently await Blue Willow's generation of the accompanying images, which you may need to scroll up to locate. Once the image finishes rendering, you'll see 2 rows of buttons. The buttons U1, U2, U3, and U4 in the top row are for upscaling your selected image by factors of 1, 2, or 3, from left to right and top to bottom. As for the bottom row, the buttons V1, V2, V3, and V4 generate for brand new alternatives while maintaining the composition and style of your selected image. To clarify, clicking U1 increases the size of the first image, while pressing V1 creates new versions of the same image. To save the image to your device, simply click Open in the browser and then right-click to save it. This image will become your first chapter's illustration. Here's an essential tip: go back to the first image opened in the browser, copy its link, start the prompt with a /, paste the URL for that image, and then copy and paste your Chapter 2 outline from the conversation with GPT. Hit the prompt to request the creation of the graphic. You can repeat this process for all other images you wish to produce. Remember, each image adds life and excitement to your story, so make the most of this AI-powered tool to create visually stunning illustrations that will captivate young readers. Step 3. Create the book. The next crucial step is bringing together the story and the images to create your book. To begin, head over to canva.com and search for Storybook to get started. From the menu, select Create a blank storybook and use the platform to upload the AI-generated photos we've created. Once the images are in Canva, simply drag and drop your first image into the template, which will serve as your book's cover. Next, it's time to add the title. Edit it as needed to create a captivating and visually appealing cover. After completing the cover, return to ChatGPT and copy the first section of your story. Paste it into the picture area within Canva. Ensure that the text of your story maintains the same font style as the cover for consistency. However, feel free to experiment and adjust the text style to create a distinct look from the cover page. Once you've finished incorporating the text into the picture, it's time to save your book as a PDF. Canva provides an option to save your creation in this format, ensuring that your book is ready for distribution and easy to share with others. Step 4. Publish on Amazon KDP. Congratulations on completing your amazing storybook. The final step is to share it with the world and start earning significant passive income by publishing it on Amazon KDP. Although I can't provide a detailed walkthrough in this video, don't worry. I've included a link in the video description below that will guide you through the entire publishing process step by step. By following the link, you'll gain access to a comprehensive guide that will walk you through each stage of publishing your book on Amazon's KDP platform. I hope this resource will help you navigate the publishing process smoothly and successfully. Remember, by leveraging the power of ChatGPT and Blue Willow, you're well on your way to earning passive income and sharing your creativity with the world. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you found it valuable, don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. We would love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing videos coming your way soon.